Hello, so welcome back to another video, more of a live stream I guess. But here I'm going to start tinkering with this VU meter circuit as I've been working on this all afternoon. It's not very complicated though. I don't know, I feel like controlling some LEDs on a speaker or something like that. So I'm going to first see if this works because I haven't even checked if it works or not yet. So I got my power supply here. Let's set it to 9 volts. There we go. We're at 9 volts. Alright, now let's get some cables to connect it to power. Alright, so that's negative. And that's positive. And then here we've got the audio cable. So I'm going to see if I can hook that up too. I could use some cable. Just don't have any in my hands right now. This would work. Oh, but it's... Oh, well, never mind. That one got chewed up by a rabbit. So let's try this. This one would work. So we're going to have to... That's the third pin. I'm going to have to connect it to ground. Sorry about my colors for the wires. I'm just using wires. I'm not actually checking their color or anything. So let's hook that up. I'm going to start with 0 volts just in case there's like a short circuit or something. It'll tell me. So it's positive. Oh, by the way, I'm using the LM314 to do this VU meter. And let's hope nothing explodes. Okay. So good. So far so good. Okay, we're at 9 volts now. It's not drawing much current. Let's see if we could use this 680 ohm resistor. This guy. Okay, yeah, we should use this one. So I'm just gonna use the positive from here, hook it up, and hope it lights up. And it doesn't. It is not drawing any current, so I'm not even sure if I need that resistor there, but that's just in case. It's hooked up right. Hope my diode's not backwards. I don't think it is. So pin 5 is connected. That's there, that goes there, that's there, that's there. Alright, I'm gonna have to take a look at this. Well, I kind of was expecting something to not work out correctly, but I'm just gonna have to take a look. So, here. I don't know. Let me just see if I can find the circuit. Let's see here. So no. Okay, here we go. We're somewhere. So I'm gonna just get the circuit diagram up. I don't know how I'm gonna show it though. Here we go. here. All right, so I got the schematic now. They're using the LM3915, but it's time to check. Pin 1 goes to ground. No, wait, what? Oh, wait, no. Oh, yeah, pin 1 goes to the LED, not ground. And then pin 2 goes to ground, yes. Pin 3 goes to 12 volts. Yep. Pin 4 goes to ground. Yep. Pin 5 is a bit complex. So pin 5 goes to 100K, which goes to ground, a 1 microfarad capacitor, which goes to ground, and then that's the input. So that goes to ground, that goes to ground, that's the input. And then when we hook it up here, we don't see anything. Even if we use the small resistor. If there's any, that's why. Okay. Yeah, I just noticed that was me connecting the. So here we go. It works. That's just a silly mistake. I didn't notice I plugged it into the wrong hole. So here we go. We've got a VU meter there. Now I'm going to just play some music on my computer and see what we get. So let's hook it back up here. Okay, and now I have this audio cable over here. Just give me a moment since, there you go. So here I have an audio cable. I'm going to hook it up here. Let me just switch tabs so you can see. Okay, I hope you saw everything. If you didn't, just let me know. But I'm going to hook that up there. And over here, I'm going to hook it up to my computer. There. So now I'm just going to play some random audio track. Let's first turn the volume up on my computer. I wonder what audio tracks I have. If you can't see anything, just let me know. Well, I don't know if you'll let me know because I'm just going to see how this goes. Hold on. Okay. Where is it? I can't see the music playing. I guess that's the problem. I'm actually using iTunes here. iTunes takes a long time to start. I'm just going to check Task Manager. Oh, okay, iTunes started. Now we got the audio. Oh, look at that! It's working! I need one of those Y connectors now. So you see it's working. I'm still playing the audio. I'm going to get a Y connector to see if I could somehow hook it up to a speaker. Here we go. Exactly what we need. So something like this would split the audio so we can use the other audio track to connect it to a very simple amplifier. This is just a little amp I tore up that's very useful. Use it in a lot of projects. Okay, I'm going to first turn the volume down and then I'm going to close iTunes here. I'm not sure if the volume is going to be right though, honestly. I'm not so sure about the volume. This guy's volume is not adjustable. We'll just have to see how it goes. So the speaker's hooked up, right? No, it's not. Oh shoot, it was, but now it's not. Okay, sorry, you might not be able to see it. I'm gonna go over here. I'm adjusting it here. Huh? Oh, that's another problem. I'll fix it. Alright, let's hope that does. And hook the never mind. This is gonna be a little bit harder than expected. Okay, so we're gonna have to hook that up and then hook this around. There. Alright, so now let's power this guy. This guy wants 3 volts. I don't need these alligator clips here. I could just use batteries because I'm not going to power this on for a long time. So let's get some batteries. I'm gonna go get some fresh ones, so I'll be back real quick. Alright, so I've got the batteries. Now I'm just gonna plug them in here. I have no idea. Here's the cable. Scooch. Where's the Y? Here it is. Alright, so let's plug this Y into my computer. Okay. Let's pull that through. There we go. As you can see over here, that's the Y. And the other side's it's gonna go to the VU meter right here. Okay. That's gonna be a little tricky. There we go. Alright, so it's time to stick some batteries in and see what happens. Okay. Oh, I just saw a flash. I wonder what that's supposed to be. Okay. Okay, that's a good sign. Now I'm just gonna play some audio. I'm gonna give it a moment to open iTunes. And it takes longer than a moment. Here we go. Alright, so. Oh, geez. It works. The volume's not right, though, as you probably just heard. We got a bunch of distortion. So it's not going to work. We need a preamp, I think. Let's turn this guy off. Yeah, we need a preamp. That's gonna be tricky. I guess we could use it. I don't know. So, how are we gonna do this? Yeah, let's see if I can use it LM741 or something. Oh, I have an idea. I could probably connect it to the output with the speaker, so that would work. I mean, like, I don't see why that wouldn't, so let's see if we could hook it up in parallel. Okay. So that's connected. Ooh, I got a bunch of resistors stuck on the speaker because it's so magnetic. And that's connected. Alright, so we'll just have to hope that works. So here we go. Powered on. Oh. Alright, so here we go. Oh! Yeah, that works! I'll just let you watch it for a moment. Wrong spot. There we go. Try another song now. Oh, it automatically starts playing another song. I'll just give it a moment and then play another song. Alright, let's just find one more song and then we'll get continuing. I have no idea what songs they really have in my downloads. I'm just pulling out random songs I got from Adobe stock or places like that. So let's just see what happens. It honestly looks like a bright blob instead of the VU meter on the camera. I wonder if I could turn the volume up a bit. Oh boy! So it looks like we're good. So let me just get this speaker over here. So let's turn that off. Here is the speaker I'm thinking of upgrading it to, while also like having these LEDs flash with the rhythm or something. I don't know, but I have to solder the wires to the LEDs. And I honestly think this VU meter setup is pretty amazing already. So I actually might want to keep it like this, but I'm not so sure. So I'm gonna see if we can do any improvements. So I mean, like, we actually don't need the Y at all. So I just need to unplug this, and I only need the cable to the amplifier since this is coming out of the amplifier. So just plug that in, and let's turn that on. Okay, let me just check with some audio. Alright, I'm just gonna do another weird one. Whatever is on my computer. Wait for iTunes to start. I have no idea what this song is actually. Yeah, I honestly don't like this song very much because it sounds kind of weird. Let's see. Let's try this one. Star waits for iTunes to start. I have no idea. That was not bad. Oh, the VU meter. The current draw is pretty amazing. It's very small, at least for the LEDs. Oh, I'm seeing it backwards, but I'm pretty sure you don't. Oh, and I happen to be applying 11 volts to it, not 9. I could turn it down, I guess, though. Yeah, now it's at 9. Oh, geez. I happen to have something old in my box of electronics, if I can find it. It's another VU meter I created a long time ago. I'm not sure if I can still find it, but let me see. It's probably going back here somewhere. I remember seeing it someday. Okay, so that's the old circuit for the protection. Here it is. iTunes. So I happen to have this old VU. This just looks ridiculous. So I created this a long time ago. I'm not sure when, but it's a ridiculous looking VU meter. Did you just see those LEDs? Well, I mean like this since maybe 2017 or something. I don't know. I wasn't very good at electronic. Hey, look, the dot bar thing is like on this back, like here, so it's pretty ridiculous. I guess I just didn't have enough space to cram it in. I have no idea what this potentiometer is for either. I think it's for the volume. Used to have those things in my VU meter, but this one doesn't. This one's just like at maximum volume. So I'm gonna see if this guy works. I don't know. Yeah, I wonder if I can do like stereo or something. I happen to have the other connector out here. So I don't know. This guy has only 8 LEDs. So I don't know. But I guess we'll have to do this next time because I have to solder the wires and that takes some time. So right now, before we leave, I might as well show you something. So I'm just going to flip to my computer. Oh, that's an interesting effect. So I remember something like that. Yeah, here we go. I had a lot of VU meters. So I haven't shown you. It's actually created in 2018. But if I could even play these videos. This is my VU meter. That's a really old video. But I can link it here. It's obvi.net/project/project2.html. I'm just gonna paste it in the chat here. And alright, so I just sent it. And if you go here, you would if I could find my mouse, here we go. You'll probably see one of these old videos. You can see this is the first one. This one is I'm sorry, there are lots of wires. That's my first VU meter. This is my second, I think, or something like that. But I have that guy over here. This one's a pretty advanced VU meter I created. But I think none beat my newest one. Oh! We're actually having something interesting looking here. Also, one more thing. I'm going to put my camera up here. If I find the right pin, just give me a moment. Yeah, pin 9. If I unplug here, we get this interesting looking dot display. I don't know why the first LED is staying on, but this is how it's supposed to be. It's a kind of dot LED, but it looks like 3 LEDs at one on, so I'm gonna turn the volume down a bit. Ooh, that's a problem. I could probably disconnect this capacitor and you'll probably see it go crazy. Look at that! Now it looks just like I don't know. if you take a look, it looks like it's actually bar, not dot, but compared to bar, this is bar. You might notice this part looks a little more shaded when it's doing that. Oh, and also if I hold down there, that LED would turn on slightly. But you might notice it's like a little shaded. That's because well, basically you don't have any capacitor, and the waveform is like a sine wave that's like fluctuating very fast. But when you add the capacitor, it becomes more bright and it's in a smaller range. But in theory, if I can get a bigger capacitor, I don't know, what should we try? How about what do I have here? 4.7 microfarads. Let's see if that works. Take a look at that. That thing's just crawling. It's like one single dot now. And now if I connect it in bar, you might notice that it looks like it's refreshing very slow, like a, I don't know. There's like an optimal value for this capacitor. Also, this resistor, the 100k ohm resistor here, also happens to do some play in with some of that. Alright, I hope that capacitor is back. Is that, it's, I think it's in, I don't know. Oh, the video ended. I was just actually playing the old VU meter video. I don't know where it is though. Is it on this tab? Yeah, it's on this tab. So, yeah, I'm just gonna play another audio track. I played this one before. Here we go. Yeah, you can see the dot. This one actually might look better with the 4.7. Yeah. See? That actually looks pretty interesting. I'm gonna bring the camera over here. Now, if I connect this back, look at that. That looks like a weird gradient too. Even if I disconnect it, doesn't look much different. There's an optimal capacitor. Most people say it's 1 microfarad, but I kind of like having this one. And let's try removing this resistor. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we need this resistor. What happens if we have no capacitor and no resistor? Yeah, that happens. I'm gonna turn the volume down. Okay, that's just weird. Okay, so I think that's we can wire this up tomorrow. I'm gonna actually just take these LEDs out connect them to certain pins and see if they work good or not. So that LED would be here. This LED would be here. This LED would be here. And this LED would be here. So if we hook that up, we can see what happens. So we're having a common anode here. As you might see, that's my common. So I'm just going to connect it to the common because it's easier. So I could use a bit of wire and connect the anode to, I think this is the anode. Yeah, it's the anode. To the common. There. And now we can connect this to any pin we want. Connect it to, I don't know. I'm just going to play around with it. Connect it to pin 1. How do I want it to act? That's the first thing. I could make it a circle. Okay, let's start with a circle. We'll do many designs, but we're going to start with a circle. Not long enough. I need more. I'm going to use this like wiggly jumper wires for this because it's a better thing to use. And I'm just going to bring the whole wire tray over so I can get whatever wire I want whenever I need it. Here. So let's connect that to pin 1. I've got some connection spots here. We can't switch it to dot mode here, but we could try seeing what it looks like. It would probably look pretty funny. There, so that's going to be our common. And let's get another piece of wire. And maybe we're going to make it in a circle like that. Now, how about like this? Like that, and then like this. This goes to pin 3. And let's hook up positive. Cool. And then we can get another wire for the positive. Alright, good. So now we're gonna get another hookup wire. Which one works best? Let's try this one. Alright, so this one, hook it up to pin 5, and this guy will hook up to pin 7. I'm gonna find his pin. Alright, so everything's powered. We can try it. And I'm just going to use that track because it's pretty good for testing it, even though it might not sound the best. Whoa, that startled me. Whoa, look at that! We need a bigger capacitor. Too flashy. Oh, that looks funny. I have no idea what's wrong. This thing's just wobbling like crazy. Okay. Gee! You see, this VU meter's not working right. And this guy's getting overpowered. That looks pretty interesting. I guess this would work. I don't know. Maybe we could switch it around a bit, make it a bit random. Alright, let's see what happens here. Interesting. That actually looks pretty good. Look at the VU meter, it's like broken. But here we go into dot mode. Oh gee, look at that. It doesn't look that bad, honestly. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Kind of random, but yeah. Alright. Blue is 5. Orange is 7. Right? Yeah. Green is 1. Yellow is 3, I think. Yeah, 3. So, alright, so that's... Sorry about my very bad drawings. I just did this real quick. That's the configuration. And that's all. I will do that. I will solder some wires for these LEDs. And I'll see you next time on the show. Maybe wiring it up, most likely. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.